Everyone's getting canceled. I have anxiety. I can't close the door to my refrigerator because people were making such a scene out of it.
Oh, man. I don't know how to close my refrigerator. I'm so anxious. All my food's spoiled except for I had to put it in the freezer. Now it's all frozen solid. I gotta cancel some people. Each week I have to buy new food because it all goes bad. I have to eat it really quickly. I can't shut. It's not happening. I'm gonna cancel Tyler, the creator, over it. If y'all enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll see you when you watch me again, metaphorically.
I'm big with the funds. Yeah, I'm big with the funds. You know, I just like having fun. Still not sure if I'm the one. Still